If you're experiencing high ping in Rocket League, it can significantly affect your gameplay. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you enhance your connection and reduce lag. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. Use a wired connection if possible, as it typically offers lower latency compared to Wi-Fi. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching Rocket League, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This will free up bandwidth and processing power, helping to improve your connection. Step 3. Optimize router settings. Access your router settings and enable quality of service OS features if available. Prioritize gaming traffic to ensure that Rocket League gets the bandwidth it needs for a smoother experience. Step 4. Choose the right server. In Rocket League, select a server that is geographically closer to you. This can help reduce ping times and improve overall gameplay. You can check server options in the game settings. Step 5. Monitor and adjust network settings. Use tools to monitor your network performance and adjust settings as needed. Consider changing DNS settings to faster servers such as Google DNS or Cloudflare DNS, which can sometimes improve connection speeds. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in your ping and overall gaming experience in Rocket League. Enjoy your game.